1. If you're tired of constantly misplacing your keys, wallet, or even your pet, then the Apple AirTag 4-pack is about to change your life. 2. With Apple's revolutionary precision finding, powered by Ultra Wideband technology, you can pinpoint the exact location of your lost items with incredible accuracy. 3. Your iPhone literally guides you right to it, making forgotten items a problem of the past. 4. Setting up these brilliant Bluetooth trackers couldn't be easier. 5. Just one tap with your iPhone and your AirTag is instantly paired and ready to go. It's truly seamless. 6. Worried about accidental splashes or a dusty adventure? Don't be. 7. The Apple AirTag is IP67 water and dust resistant, meaning it can withstand depths of 1 meter for 30 minutes, offering real-world durability. 8. This isn't just any tracker. It's an Apple product, seamlessly integrated into your iOS ecosystem, making it the best tracker for iPhone users. 9. If you're looking to buy AirTag, the 4-pack offers incredible value and unparalleled peace of mind for securing all your essentials. 10. Stop losing sleep over lost items. Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today via the Amazon link below. It's one of the top electronics to invest in for 2025.